The Stedman FC Series hammer mill is a fully reversible air swept mill that targets a finer end product while increasing production capacity. The FC features a small overall footprint and excels at processing corn and grains, biomass, renderings, and other non-abrasive materials. With easy access, quick release screens, and nearly 360 degrees of crushing and grinding, this air swept mill processes higher throughputs with quicker maintenance than traditional hammer mills. Large models can support capacities of up to 36 tons per hour. Changing the position of the externally adjustable intake is simple. The reversible design provides longer wear part life and better utilization of wear metal while minimizing downtime to flip hammers compared to other designs. Contact Stedman today to determine if the full circle hammer mill is suitable for you.